Biotechnology, Karpagavinayaga College of Engineering and Technology. Our department focuses on the practical learning of life science concepts. We ensure the understanding and implementation of those concepts into our daily life. One such experiment is reverse blood grouping or blood typing, which we use to determine the antibodies present on the surface of RBCs using patient serum.
Disinfect by swabbing with ethanol and use a sterile syringe. Collect the blood from veins. Pour the blood into the two test tubes A and B. Into the tube B, add sodium citrate to prevent coagulation. The tube A is centrifuged at 2000 rpm for 20 to 30 minutes. The serum is collected from the supernatant of tube A onto a sterile slide marked A and B, and the serum is added on it. Onto the first slide, the blood from tube B is added and mixed uniformly. When the antigens are allowed to treat with corresponding antibodies, agglutination will be the result of antigen-antibody reaction. Agglutination in A shows the presence of B blood group and that of B is A.